You walk into an IKEA on a Saturday afternoon, list in hand, fully convinced you're only grabbing one shelf. 2 hours later, you're at the checkout with a cart full of things you never knew existed, a Swedish cinnamon roll you didn't need, and a vague sense of wonder about where the afternoon went. Now, what if I told you that almost everything about that experience was carefully, deliberately, and very intelligently designed? The layout, the lighting, the price tags, the signage, even the order in which you pass through each room. None of it is accidental, but here's the thing. Inside that same system, buried beneath the showroom magic and the flat pack psychology, are some genuinely powerful advantages that most Canadian shoppers walk right past. Every single visit. We're talking about deals so good they almost feel like mistakes, policies so generous they seem too good to be true, and timing tricks that could realistically save you hundreds of dollars a year, all without cutting a single coupon or signing up for a single spam email. Some of what you're about to hear, IKEA doesn't exactly broadcast from the loudspeakers. You won't see it in their flyers. And chances are, nobody at the store is going to volunteer this information unprompted, so stay with us becoming bockwurst buyers to worders, because by the end of this video, you're going to shop IKEA Canada in a completely different way. Let's get into it. Secret number 1. Skip the maze. Go straight to the warehouse. Here's something worth knowing about IKEA's store layout. Many locations use a guided path design, a showroom route structured to move you through as many displays as possible before you ever reach what you actually came for. Whether your store is strictly one way or just strongly nudges you in that direction, the result tends to be the same. Your visit runs longer and your cart runs fuller than planned. But here's the hack-seasoned IKEA shoppers in Canada quietly swear by. Skip the showroom entirely. Before you ever leave home, go to IKEA.ca and look up exactly what you want. Every product page shows the precise aisle letter and bin number where that item lives in the self-serve warehouse. Screenshot those numbers. When you arrive, follow the signage for the self-serve furniture area and walk straight there. You bypass every staged room, every impulse table, every cleverly placed accessory you never knew you wanted. Shoppers who skip the showroom on return visits tend to report spending considerably less than those who do the full loop, for obvious reasons. No wandering, no browsing, no mystery lamp ending up in the cart. This strategy works best when you already know what you want. If you're visiting for the first time or need to test something before buying, a sofa, a mattress, you'll still want the showroom. But for your second, third, or 10th visit, the warehouse shortcut is pure gold. And speaking of the warehouse, once you're in there, the smartest shoppers know exactly which corner to check first, and it has nothing to do with what you came in for. Secret number 2, the as-is section is a hidden gold mine. Near the checkout area of most IKEA Canada locations lives one of the most underrated shopping opportunities in the country. It's called the as-is section, and a surprisingly large number of shoppers walk right past it without a second glance. This is where IKEA parks discounted furniture, items that were floor models, returned by customers, or have minor cosmetic imperfections. Discounts here can reportedly run as high as 50% off the original price. And according to IKEA Canada's own customer service documentation, many of these items are already assembled, which, if you've ever spent a Sunday afternoon with an Allen key and questionable instructions, is genuinely valuable. Each item has a description tag explaining its condition. The stock changes every single day, which means every visit is a different treasure hunt. Bring a measuring tape. Nothing stings more than loading a half-price desk into your car and realizing it doesn't fit through your apartment door. Worth knowing about how this section works. In store, it tends to operate on a first-come, first-served basis for floor pieces, meaning if you see something you want, that's your moment. Online, however, IKEA Canada's as-is marketplace actually does allow you to reserve certain items for pickup before you make the trip. That's a detail most shoppers completely miss. But as valuable as the as-is section is, the real power move isn't about what you find there. It's about when you show up. Secret number 3. Wednesday is the magic day. Most people shop IKEA on weekends. Lines are long, carts are everywhere, and the as-is section has been picked through by hundreds of people before you arrived. Many seasoned Canadian shoppers quietly prefer midweek visits, and there's a fairly logical reason behind that preference. The thinking goes like this. IKEA tends to process returns in the early part of the week. By midweek, those items may have been inspected, priced, and moved to the as-is floor. It's shopper lore more than official policy, but the pattern gets mentioned often enough that it's worth factoring into your visit planning. What is verifiable? Weekday traffic is typically lighter than weekend peaks. Less competition for deals, shorter lines, and a less chaotic experience overall. If midweek mornings tend to bring fresh as-is turnover at your particular location, that's a bonus worth testing for yourself. If you can get there when doors open, hours vary by location, so check your store's page on IKEA.ca ahead of time. You get first access to whatever's been freshly marked down. Whether or not Wednesday specifically is the magic day for your store, the midweek morning window is where the most consistent value tends to live. Now, once you're in the store on a Wednesday, there's a free tool most Canadians still aren't using, even though it unlocks some of the best ongoing savings in the building. Secret number 4, the IKEA Family program is basically free money. According to IKEA Canada's own website, the IKEA Family membership program is completely free to join and takes under 2 minutes to set up. Despite this, a significant portion of regular Canadian shoppers still haven't enrolled, which means they're consistently leaving money on the table. Here's what members actually get: points on every purchase, currently structured as 1 point for every $5 spent, which can be redeemed for food rewards and other perks. Free coffee or tea during store visits, exclusive monthly discounts on specific product categories, early access to certain sales events, and an additional 5% off during select promotions. One of the most underused benefits ties directly into receipts and pricing. IKEA Canada offers a price adjustment policy. If something you purchase drops in price, you may be eligible to claim the difference within 30 days of your purchase with conditions. The reason IKEA Family makes this easier isn't because members get a longer window, it's because your purchases are automatically logged to your account. No physical receipt required. That alone removes the single biggest barrier most people face when trying to make a price adjustment claim. Perhaps most notably for Canadian shoppers, IKEA Canada has run events where family members get 15% off almost everything store-wide, the Hedge Days sale being a documented example. During those windows, non-members were paying full price on the same items. The enrollment kiosks are available in-store, or you can sign up through ikea.ca in minutes. There is genuinely no reason not to, but even with the family card in your wallet, there's a specific time of year when IKEA Canada quietly offers savings that most shoppers don't even realize are coming. Secret number 5. The January clearance is IKEA Canada's best-kept calendar secret. Every January, IKEA Canada runs what is arguably the deepest discount event of its annual retail calendar. According to observed patterns and publicly available promotional records, winter clearance events have historically featured discounts reaching up to 50% on select products, including furniture, lighting, storage, and home decor. This isn't just a modest sale, it's when IKEA moves seasonal merchandise and clears inventory ahead of new product releases. The selection may narrow as days pass, but the discounts often deepen toward the final days of the event, making it one of the more compelling windows to buy heavier ticket items. The strategic move here is combining this clearance window with your IKEA Family membership for stacked savings. Members who time their bigger purchases, sofas, wardrobes, shelving systems, for January clearance events are generally the ones who report the most dramatic year-over-year savings on home furnishings. Worth noting, IKEA Canada typically runs meaningful promotional events around Black Friday as well, and in at least some recent years, family members have reportedly had access to additional member-only discounts on select items during those periods. Whether that holds in any given year is worth checking closer to the date, but the pattern of member-specific Black Friday perks has been consistent enough to monitor. Knowing when to buy is powerful, but knowing what IKEA doesn't want you to understand about their urgency tactics, that might be even more valuable. Secret number 6. Only 2 left doesn't mean what you think it means. You've seen it, a small tag on a product showing a low stock number, sometimes highlighted, and almost immediately the part of your brain that hates missing out kicks in and tells you to grab it now before someone else does. Here's what's worth understanding. According to retail psychology research, manufactured scarcity consistently increases purchase likelihood, and those stock indicators on the sales floor don't always tell the full story. IKEA Canada itself acknowledges that in-store availability can differ from online availability depending on your location, and that stock statuses can change quickly. IKEA operates one of the more sophisticated inventory and distribution networks in retail. What shows as low in one context may look entirely different when you check the full picture. The lamp you're debating may have more availability than a shelf tag suggests, or it may genuinely be limited. The point is, you don't have enough information from a tag alone to know. The practical takeaway: always cross-reference on ikea.ca's ICRZ before making a panic purchase. The website shows both in-store floor stock and warehouse availability, giving you a far more accurate picture than what a shelf tag alone can convey. This habit alone has reportedly saved shoppers from impulse purchases they later regretted. And while we're talking about what IKEA quietly hopes you won't think too hard about, here's a policy detail that catches a shocking number of Canadian shoppers off guard at checkout. Secret number 7. IKEA Canada doesn't give you free bags. Here's what to do. This one surprises a remarkable number of first-time visitors. At most IKEA Canada locations, Don't count on getting a free bag at checkout. Between store policy and provincial bag regulations across Canada, you're almost certainly going to be charged for one. And if you weren't expecting that, it catches you off guard right at the moment you're already juggling a cart full of flat packs. The iconic large blue Fracta bag is available for purchase for a very modest price at checkout, and it's genuinely well built. Independent tests have suggested these bags can hold substantial weight and last for years with regular use. But if you weren't expecting to pay for one, it catches you off guard. The solution is simple and takes about 10 seconds to implement. Keep a folded, reusable bag in your car whenever you plan an IKEA run. The Fracta bags fold down small enough to tuck under your passenger seat. Many veteran IKEA Canada shoppers keep one permanently in their trunk for exactly this reason. Side note for the curious, the Fracta bag has become so culturally ubiquitous that certain luxury fashion houses have reportedly released designer versions that look remarkably similar to the original, priced at several $100s. The original remains available for under $2. Make of that what you will. Now let's talk about what happens after you get your items home. Because the return and assembly policies at IKEA Canada are far more generous than most people realize, and far more conditional than IKEA's cheerful branding might suggest. Secret number 8. You can return assembled furniture, but only if you do this. IKEA Canada operates one of the more generous return policies in Canadian retail. According to their official policy documentation, unopened products can be returned within 365 days of purchase. Opened products, including assembled ones, can be returned within 90 days, provided they're in unused and resaleable condition. That 90-day window for assembled furniture is something most shoppers don't know exists. But the fine print matters enormously here. Items must be disassembled carefully and returned in a condition IKEA considers resaleable. Every screw, every dowel, every cam lock needs to be accounted for. The box matters. The original packaging significantly improves your odds of a smooth return. If you no longer have your receipt, don't panic. IKEA Family members have their purchase history automatically stored to their account, which can be used to verify transactions without a physical receipt. For non-members, credit card records or bank statements may also be accepted. It's worth asking at the customer service counter before assuming you're out of options. One nuance worth noting: as-is items are returnable within 90 days, but refunds for those items come in the form of an IKEA refund card rather than a cash or original payment method refund. That's a meaningful distinction if you were hoping to get money back to spend elsewhere. But here's the situation that causes more frustration than almost any other IKEA experience. You're halfway through assembly, and a part is missing. What most people don't know is that the solution is completely free. Secret number 9, missing hardware? IKEA Canada will replace it for free. It happens to almost everyone who assembles IKEA furniture regularly. You reach a certain step in the instructions, and a screw or a cam lock or a small plastic connector is simply not there, or your vacuum cleaner found it before you did. According to IKEA Canada's official replacement parts service, customers can request missing or damaged hardware components free of charge. The process is straightforward. Visit the returns and exchanges counter at any IKEA Canada location with your assembly instructions in hand. Those booklets contain part numbers that make identification easy and fast for store staff. For customers not near a store, IKEA Canada's website includes a dedicated section for ordering replacement parts online with shipment directly to your home. Estimates for delivery windows vary, so it's worth checking current timelines on their site. IKEA reportedly allocates significant resources to this parts replacement program annually, treating it as a core part of their customer satisfaction model. For standard assembly hardware, screws, cam locks, dowels, pegs, the process is typically very straightforward. Staff have noted that for those common small parts, the focus tends to be on getting you the piece, not interrogating how it went missing. Pro tip: keep your assembly instruction booklets even after a piece of furniture is fully built. The exploded diagrams inside list every component with part codes, making future replacement requests significantly easier. Store them somewhere logical. Your future self will thank you. And finally, one more timing secret that Canadian shoppers consistently overlook, and it's particularly relevant if you're planning anything seasonal. Secret number 10. Buy seasonal decor at IKEA Canada in the wrong season. If you want to buy Christmas decorations at IKEA Canada in December, you may find the selection thinner than you expected. Not because IKEA doesn't carry holiday items, they absolutely do, but because of how far in advance their supply chain moves seasonal merchandise onto the floor. Documented examples from IKEA Canada's own newsroom and media coverage show that winter holiday collections have arrived as early as September, well ahead of when most Canadians are even thinking about Christmas shopping. Halloween, meanwhile, has shown up on IKEA shelves as early as July in recent years. By the time the actual holiday rolls around, the best selection is often long gone. This supply chain dynamic exists because IKEA's global logistics network operates on extended lead times. Rather than warehousing seasonal stock, items move directly to sales floors early, meaning early shoppers get the widest selection, while late season shoppers are often picking through whatever's left. The smartest play: buy this year's seasonal decor the moment it appears, and buy next year's in the post holiday clearance window when remaining stock hits its deepest markdowns. You're essentially shopping a full season ahead of everyone else, with far better selection and considerably better prices. Storage containers and organizers, interestingly, tend to follow the opposite pattern, appearing just after the holiday when you actually need them. At least IKEA gets that part right. So there you have it. 10 things about shopping at IKEA Canada that the store's signage, floor staff, and Swedish meatball fumes are unlikely to volunteer on their own. Whether it's the warehouse shortcut that saves you 2 hours on a Saturday, the as-is section that most people sleepwalk past, or the free membership that silently tracks your purchase history in ways that consistently work in your favor, the common thread is awareness. Knowing how the system actually works gives you leverage most shoppers never bother to pick up. None of this is about being adversarial with a furniture store. It's about making sure that when you walk out of those sliding doors with your flat pack cargo and your 50-cent hot dog, the experience actually worked in your favor. If any of these tips saved you money or changed how you think about your next IKEA run, drop a comment below. We genuinely read them. And if you want more Canadian consumer content like this, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.